Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura Bruno, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my recipe for white chocolate macadamia cookies. They're so easy to make, so let's get started. So what you'll need is 2 cups of flour, a half a cup of softened butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cup of white chocolate chips, and 1 cup of macadamia nuts that are coarsely chopped. You'll also need to set your oven to 350, and you'll need a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. So in my bowl I have the brown sugar. I'm going to add the softened butter, the egg, and the vanilla. And I'm just going to mix it until it's well combined. So once you have this well combined, you're going to be putting in the dry ingredients. And just mix this well. So once you have this well combined, you're going to be putting in salt, the white chocolate, and the nuts. And you're just going to mix this in. So next you're going to take a cookie scoop or a tablespoon, and you're going to put it onto the parchment paper. So once you have all your cookies on the cookie sheet, they're going into a 350-degree oven for about 10 minutes or until it's golden brown. And I'll show you when it's finished. So I just took the cookies out of the oven. They did cook about 12 minutes. They really don't get a color on top, but they do get color on the bottom. And I transferred them onto a rack so they can cool for about 10 minutes. Okay, so I have to try one. See, it's brown on the bottom. The top doesn't get too brown. They're a soft cookie, and the white chocolate melts in the middle. And here you have it, white chocolate macadamia nut cookies. So delicious, so easy to make. Okay guys, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.